PressCorps Radio and its corresponding affiliates take pride in presenting me, Dr. Oliver Brolan Ponsonby, Esquire, your host for the Cadmium Stage of the Skies. Great drama for a great new medium. Greetings, I am Dr. Oliver Brolan Ponsonby, Esquire. Since the Foxhole War began, theaters and stages have been part of the ever-growing list of casualties, and with it, the art form of theater. But as the press corps grew in scope, members of the corps, as well as other press affiliates from all over Siva and Valley, began working together to bring this dying art in a hold. Began working together to bring back this dying art form in a whole different form and time. The stage of the skies, the empire of the air, the format of radio. This is the first time a radio network has dedicated a time slot to the work of a theater company, broadcast to you in cutting-edge high fidelity, or hi-fi. Today's debut episode, This Damn Blizzard. Written, voiced, and edited by Commander Rod of the Roughnecks. The scene opens in some sort of indoor refuge. As the war continues in the distance, two Sievish soldiers come out of their rest and return to reality.
Hungry bastards.
Where the bloody hell am I?
Praise Callahan, laddie. I almost gave up hope.
Who are you?
Come now, Lieutenant. I may be old, but I'm not that bad looking, eh?
No, really.
Bloody hell.
What's going on?
They really messed you up, didn't they?
Hey,
Laddie, you are Lieutenant Benjamin Ripley of the Warden 1st Infantry.
Ripley? Wait, Captain Hogarth?
There you go. Your brain isn't fried just yet.
Captain, what the hell happened?
Oh, you don't remember a thing, do you? Bastards took us by surprise. Colonial ambush, just through the road, right next to the border. The tanks were rolling through, and a dim mine ran off right next to us.
Right. I remember.
It's a damn miracle your head wasn't taken clean off, I tell you.
Where's Perconte? Did they make it out?
Oh, I'm sorry, lad. You and I are the only two remaining members of Manticore's squadron, I reckon.
Oh, God, no. Perconte, Alice, Lewis, Caesar, they're all gone?
Far as I know, Lieutenant.
Right. Okay, so I got knocked out. Then what?
Damn blizzard rolled in is what happened. Been holed up in this damn house for the past 3 days. Rations are running low, and I'm out of ammo.
You lost it all during the ambush?
Lost it? No, I used it all over the last few days. Bastards come out night and day, keeping me bloody awake. Haven't gotten any shut-eye at all. I figure there's at least 3 of them, and no more than 7 out there.
That's a problem.
You're telling me, lad. I reckon 2 of them are quite close. Taking either one of those 2 out might destabilize their morale enough to give us a window to back out. Now that you're awake, that is.
How do you even know that?
I heard them over the past 3 days. Their fucking accents are hard to miss. 2 of them green boys have northern accents. Figured they might be friends.
Fair enough. I guess 3 days with only hearing enemy chatter can help you hone in on who the hell you're listening to.
Damn right.
Problem is, we can't see where we're shooting at from here.
Double-edged sword, this blizzard. Keeps us safe from them. And them safe from us.
Yeah, and who's gonna keep either side safe from the blizzard itself?
Make the triple, then. Listen,
What?
how is this slowing down?
Right. Are those ours or theirs?
I can't remember anymore.
You think it's aiming at us?
We're gonna find out soon enough.
Whichever side they're on, at least they're not hitting us.
Aye. At least.
You got a cigarette?
Aye, I do.
Thanks.
Wait. Callahan's beard. I'm getting way too jumpy for this nonsense.
Here, Captain. Take a drag, I'll get the fire going.
Thank you. It used to be so simple, lad. For the green ash, for the plains, before the railroads. I lived through the last war, in hopes that our country would do the honorable thing and treat our former enemies as they are.
And what would that be, Captain? Captain?
Human beings, Lieutenant.
They invaded our country, Captain. Took our lands, our farms, our people, my family. They took Percani, they took our men. They're not human anymore, Captain. Not in my eyes. They took everything from
And
me.
I suppose I'm no different.
What the hell are you talking about, Captain?
After our first uprising against the colonials, my unit was responsible for prisoner transport during the first months since our victory. One night, traveling down Deadlands, from the salt farms towards the Spain, our unit came across a deserted area of the Iron Passage. We had been fighting to reclaim the region for months, laddie. And we'd lost so many of our friends, our brothers. We set up camp there for the night and drank to the honor of our fallen brothers in arms. We were so filled with rage, with sorrow. We had them all tied up on the back of a transport bus. Like our soldiers burned, so were they going to. To this day, laddie, I'm haunted by their screams. Those men had families, friends, favorite jokes, memories and dreams, and we ripped it all away, lad. We ripped it all away.
Captain, I had
It's
no
all
idea.
right, laddie.
I'm sorry.
Unfortunately for us, killing is something that gets easier the more you do it. They push, we push. But one day, all this will be over. The guns will rust, grass will grow, and there will be nothing left of this. This land, our country, will heal itself, as everything does in the end. We'll be long gone by then, but maybe not forgotten. Until someone rises against peace for honor, glory, freedom, or revenge, or some other lie used to justify atrocities like the ones I've seen.
Where does it all lead, Captain? Why the hell do we fight, then?
We fight because we'll never know who's right in the end. And we can't risk letting the wrong side win. You will find your way, laddie.
What the hell was that?
Mortar, get down now!
Captain! Captain! Captain Hogarth! Ned! Where are you?
Lieutenant!
Ned! Are you... Oh, no. No.
It's quite alright,
Ned.
lad.
Captain!
My time in this war was long overdue.
I'll get them. I'll get those
No.
great fucking bastards.
Libre. You're to retreat and relay information to our HQ in Headstone. Send for the Roughnecks. Their commander will take you in.
They won't listen to me, Ned. I'm just a lieutenant. How am I supposed to...
Ripley, consider this a promotion. Captain.
Sir?
Run away, laddie! Come on, you colonial bastards!
Back for you. Captain Hogarth.
This has been a production of This Damn Blizzard. Written, voiced, and edited by Commander Rod of the Roughnecks. Join us next time when we receive enough patrons to put on another show, but in the meantime, I'm Dr. Oliver Brolan Ponsonby, Esquire, and this has been the Cadmium Stage of the Sky. Shit! Fuck! Play the music! Play the music, I dropped the brandy. Fuck. Fuck, give me another one.